everyone!
Hi!
So today's September video is extra special because my dad is here with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So today is his birthday and I decided that I should be doing this video sitting down with him. So the first question that I wanted to ask you, which a lot of people ask me, what does my name mean?
You see, you born in the day of Durga Puja, first day of Durga Puja.
Right.
That is Saptami.
Saptami, yeah.
Starts with Saptami.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody wanted me to give you a name in the name of Goddess Durga.
Okay.
So I thought just Goddess Durga or any form of Goddess Durga's name will not be that nice. So I thought of making it to all Devtas. So that is how the Dev came from. And she is the beauty.
Okay.
So Debasree is beauty of goddess.
Okay.
So you are the beauty of goddess.
Oh, okay. See, I already knew the meaning, but a lot of people ask me, so I wanted to ask you why, like what was like your...
So that was the idea behind putting your name,
Okay.
Debasree.
Okay. So a lot of people also ask me, what are your thoughts about me doing what I do, like my YouTube channel and me as an influencer?
You see, the day you told me that your dream is to do YouTube channel, we thought of ourselves that you must go ahead and fulfill your dream, and we have been always allowing our children to fulfill their dreams, whatever they have.
Yeah, I think you and mom both have been so supportive. My dad actually bought me my first camera, the camera that you saw in the camera and lights video. So the 60D was his gift, and so was the lens, and he was like, take this, you need to improve your production. Until now he still tells me, you know, we need to improve your production, you need to do this, you need to do that. And I think both of them are very supportive and equally ambitious as I am, so which is very exciting. You know, sometimes when I'm slacking, when I don't feel like doing anything, I get calls from them saying that where is your video, and they are always watching all my videos, all my comments. They're actually reading through all my comments on Instagram, on YouTube. I feel like it's become like your and mom's favorite pastime now.
True.
To go through like all my content, all my comments and stuff. Do you have anything that you want to just speak about?
I must tell your viewers that from the childhood you had a passion of each and everything what you are doing
right now. Yeah.
And you were always passionate about new dresses, good dresses, always. And shoes, of course. And so whatever you are doing right now, you have started doing it right from your childhood.
Because you said that I'm doing a few things right now, which is something that you have seen in my childhood. Yes. Do you want to tell them that story about where I just wore a dress and got out of the show?
Yeah. we had gone to a cloth store, and as usual, whatever she likes, and she will pick it up and he'll go away.
Go out of the store.
Yeah, he'll go out of the stores and you have to buy it. There's no way out. It happened with many occasions, not only with dresses.
With shoes, I remember.
She picked up a bicycle also, tricycle rather. Not bicycle, tricycle in her childhood also.
I also remember that pink chair that I just sat on.
Yes. You picked up a pink chair, you picked up a tricycle, you picked up many dresses, not only one.
And also, I remember wearing mom's shoes quite a lot also, always.
You see, I told you in the beginning,
shoes.
you had the passion of wearing good shoes, good dresses, and eating habit also. You had good eating habits.
I still do.
So you have picked up everything, whatever you are right now, you have picked it up right from your childhood. And you have got miles to go.
Yeah.
And my heartiest congratulations in advance that you are almost reaching to 200K. Keep reading all your comments. We don't miss out any comments.
Yeah, so the good ones, the bad ones,
everything.
The really bad ones. Yeah. So I think that's about it. Thank you so much for being here with me.
Thank you.
And
thank you everyone.
I hope that your birthday was special, and I'm so glad that September has a video with your birthday
Yes,
in
yes,
it.
you all made my day.
So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In case you guys aren't subscribed already, I am so close to 200k, so let's make that happen together, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.